Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would love to have you as a part of my YouTube family. And in today's video, we're going to be doing a quick little clean and tidy up of the living room and the kitchen, and then get into some fall and Halloween decor. Alright, let's get into the video. I know that I'm not the only one that feels like laundry is never ending. So I always like to start any cleaning with a load of laundry so that I can be getting that done in between cleaning. Baby. Now I'm just finishing putting away all of the groceries, and this is what I like to call my snack station. I just take all of the snacks and things like that and put them in this shoe organizer so that they're easier to get to, and all of those bulky boxes don't take up so much space in my pantry. And now it's time to clean the sink, my favorite part of cleaning the kitchen. Even though this sink drives me absolutely crazy because there are so many stains on it and just discoloration in areas. So if you have any suggestions on how to get rid of that, leave me a comment below. Thanks.
Spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though. Wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next to me. All that I want is to get next to you, get next to you. Not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, our gold. You see, we'll do you good, so take chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I am golden, I'm golden. You're not really looking for
And today I'm just going to let Sally Sweeper do the vacuuming.
Close it, babe. What do you got? 'Cause I am gold. I'm golden.
Okay, so we're gonna get started with my little haul here. Most of this is just Halloween and fall decor, but there are a few little pieces sprinkled in that I got on a good sale at Kirkland's. So we're gonna start with my little stress blessed and coffee obsessed picture. I got that from Kirkland's. Found this little metal tiered tray with hooks on it for coffee mugs or cups, but I'm going to use it for something else. It was on sale as well. And we're gonna move over here to some of the Halloween stuff. I got these at the Target Dollar Spot, Target Dollar Spot, Dollar Spot. This came from Dollar Tree, and then all of the little pumpkins came from Dollar Tree. They're just little flowered pumpkins that have little decorations on them. It's so cute. And then these little cake stands I got at Hobby Lobby. I love the black. And then I got the little coffins. Just little coffin gift boxes. I got those at the Dollar Tree. And my little wicked sign, I picked it up at Dollar General. All the rest of this stuff is from the Dollar Tree, and these little pumpkins are so cute. The little polka dots on them. My skeletons came from the Dollar Tree. All my little flowers, my black roses, and the little floral picks, they came from the Dollar Tree. These are just some cute little wooden hang tags that I picked up at Hobby Lobby, and I'm actually going to hang these on the hooks on the stand. And then I got this at Hobby Lobby and this at the Target Dollar Spot. So there's my little haul. Oh, almost forgot my little buffalo check lamp, and I'll show you where that goes in just a little bit. So let's get to decorating. This is the cute tiered tray that I got on clearance at Kirkland's. Finally got it put together and just gonna put some of my decorations on it. You will see me in a couple of different outfits throughout this video because it did take me a few days to get it filmed over the weekend. And here's the finished product. I just love the little cup hooks so that I can hang little signs and garland and things from them. I think it turned out cute and I just love it. I can't wait to decorate it for Christmas. Now we're moving on to the living room, and these little pumpkins are so cute. I picked them up at the Dollar Tree. If you didn't know already, we live in Arkansas in cotton country, so I actually picked the cotton from a cotton field, and then the little flowers that I'm using are just little picks from the Dollar Tree. Moving on to my second tiered tray, I'm just going to start decorating it. I actually picked this one up at Sam's Club. Anything that I can find a link for, it will be linked in the description box below. Now we're moving outside. Just had to do a little sweeping and cleaning up and moving around of the furniture, and then we're going to start with the outdoor decorations. And here's the finished product at night. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching.